Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the current openings in Amazon. Amazon is hiring for MHLS advisory, and the locations are mentioned below, and it is for VCC locations, so you can apply and work from anywhere in India. It's a work-from-home opportunity. The MHLS associate will work closely with the MHLS team in the US to provide a variety of HR services to North American employees. We have an immediate need for dedicated professionals to join team in their HR contact center. Be the voice of MHLS as the first point of contact for employees, managers, and the HR community. Deliver highest standards of service in any customer interaction and ensuring an accurate, efficient, and personalized resolution of queries through effective usage of systems, tools, and resources. You'll receive training and be provided with a complete equipment package when you join. Additionally, we offer a number of benefits, including Zeta Meal Card, 1,100 Indian rupees per month, 13,200 Indian rupees only per annum. Health insurance benefits up to 5 Indian rupees lakhs. Night shift allowance, 150 Indian rupees per shift. Overtime allowance as per business requirement. 5-day working week with 2 consecutive days off. The off days change based on business requirement. What qualifications do you need? Minimum age, 18 years old. Have the right to work in India. Strong communication skills in English, both written and oral fluency. Experience working with a computer. A bachelor's degree is required. Minimum of 0 to 10 years of experience in international voice process is required. Willingness to handle calls. Willingness to work in call center/contact center/help desk environment. Willingness to work in 24/7 support process, including night shifts. Proficient with MS Excel, Word, email writing. Application of phone and email etiquettes in customer interactions. Minimum broadband connection of 100 megabytes download speed and 10 MP upload speed using a hardwire Ethernet internet connection is required. No Wi-Fi. Fresher and experienced both are eligible to apply. Currently working and studying candidates are not eligible to apply. In this role, there will be an online assessment and 1 HR video interview. And if you successfully cleared both the rounds, then Amazon will provide you the offer letter before the joining. Assessment contains analytical-related MCQ and second-round voice version test. And if you want to clear the assessment and HR round, you can contact me on my Instagram for the assessment PDF with answers. So many joined with the help of my PDF, so contact me now. And if you're in need of job, then you must apply to this role because Amazon gives the opportunity to those who come first. So hurry up. Instruction for applying and completing online assessment. To apply and complete the assessment, you will need a laptop/PC with webcam and headphone with good microphone. Do not apply for mobile phone or tablet. Assessment should be attempted in an undisturbed environment with stable internet connection. Minimum 100 megabits per second. Assessment should be attempted only on a laptop/desktop with functioning web camera, and usage of headphone with microphone is must. Please do not take help during the assessment as the process is entirely recorded. Check the video description and comment box for the apply link. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more job updates. Thanks for the love and support.